Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use blockchain Bitcoin wallet, how to create account and what exactly features available on that particular platform. So let's start with the demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here blockchain/wallet. Enter. First link is display here. I'm putting this link in same video description. Blockchain.com is the most popular place to secure, buy, store and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and other top initially cryptocurrency. So let's start. Just simply click on that particular link. So the world most popular way to buy and sell, trade cryptocurrency. Here get start, login. Some other informations are available here in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum or Bitcoin. Some other information, the application available on Android and iOS store also. So we start first of all as a create account here, blockchain wallet, blockchain exchange. So you just simply type here in your email address. So I type here Research Rocks, password, repeat again same password, create wallet. Wallet is created. Send email verification to place. Click on that particular link and continue. Verification email ID here. Look at this blockchain.com. Yes, I confirm this email address. Email address is verified. I refresh again this one. Now here I get start login because of I verify email address. So my wallet email ID is researchrock.com. Continue. Here this is blockchain.com. My wallet is created here. General informations are here. Wallet ID. This one is my wallet ID. You can link here your credit card or debit card, add your card. Privacy policies are terms and condition. Wallet version is 4. So total amount are display here, how much amount you have, like US dollar, euro, pound or cryptocurrency values are display here. Prices are available here in Bitcoin. You buy here, swipe here, like simply buy and the process are start. Is a fraction of second you can buy. Just simply press 1 and the next payment, add the payment method, wire transfer. This application I already make one video about this wire transfer. You select this one, verify your all detail and then buy Bitcoin within a 1 minute only. It's very simple. Some airdrops are informations are available. Exchange, you want exchange something like your wallet so other wallet, so you connect the other wallet here and exchange some money. So here send options are available. You can send some money, currency and the private key of this XYZ wallet, how much money you are sending and the equal to the Bitcoin and description and the continue regular fees and the send the money. If you asking someone you can send me some money using this receive cryptocurrency using this form option. As a swap specific like a verification email ID, add your name and address and start the swapping. You change your platform for other person, like my name is Sangram, so someone I'm swapping with Jaipal Singh, like this you can do same process. So here buy and sell cryptocurrency, you want buy, otherwise you want sell some cryptocurrency, use this option. It's simple and earn instant. Some features are available. Upgrade your golden level so you can earn instantly your cryptocurrency like a 13.5% annually. Your cryptocurrency, they are providing you some money for your cryptocurrency current valuable amount. That one is quite amazing. Some basic features related informations are available here like a graphical representation, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, yearly or all times, like you consider as a yearly Bitcoin like a 2020 13th of September, like this Bitcoin price is a $10,000 only and today this Bitcoin price is like in a $50,000, 4 times more than this increase this price. Amazing. So you invest some cryptocurrency money, you invest some money on cryptocurrency, earn more than as you expect. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.